back with lesson 2.6. We're at video 6 now. And if you want, here, this is my daughter, Kristen. Say hi, Kristen.
Hi.
Okay, we're going to look at some word problems. And let's flip over here. So let's get started really quick. And we're looking at example 8. And it says Trinity is working at Jaymore Farms to earn some extra money over the summer. She started the summer with $52 in her savings account and plans to add $20 per week. So we're going to first write an equation that represents the relationship between time and Trinity's account balance. So if we're looking at this, I'm going to go in and I'm going to highlight the important information in here. So let me grab my highlighter. And if we go back, it says that she started with $52. That's going to be important as we go through. It also says that she earns $20 per week. That'll be another important thing that we take into our equation. So if we're going to write our equation, we're going to go up here, pick up my pen, and it says write an equation to represent the relationship between time and Trinity's account balance. So I'm going to let Y be the balance. And, ooh, wow, that's not pretty at all. So Y is going to be the balance. And we'll let the X be the time. Okay, so her account balance, Y, how do we get it? Well, she started with the $52. So that's what's in the account to begin with. That's her starting amount. And then she earned $20 per week. So week, the time is measured in weeks here. So she gets $20, so we're going to add $20 every week, so 20x. So there's our equation. Now we're going to graph this line. It's in slope-intercept form, so when we go to graph it, we're going to pick out our y-intercept, which is the b value, and our y-intercept is the one that's by itself, so it's 52. So it's 0, 52. Then we need our slope, our m, our slope. Okay, and we said slope can be a rate of change or the units per week. And what is she getting per week? She is getting $20 per 1 week. So the rate of change, the m is 20. So we want to write it as a fraction. So it's 20 over m. So let's go ahead and start with our graph. It would be y-intercept is 52, doing the best that we can on getting about where 52 might be. And it says that we're going to go up $20 each week. Now, because this is, you've got to pay attention to your scale, we're counting by tens, we're going up $20 per week. So it might be useful just to kind of get a few little points to make sure that we get the right ones. So we know that our X and our Y, some ordered pairs to plot right here. If we had 0 weeks, what she started with was 52. That's our y-intercept, 0, 52. Now the first week, she would have $20 more, so that would be 72. The next week, she would have $20 more, so that would be 92. So that might help us just a little bit as we're going. So here, first week, we should be up 20. So 20 would be that's 10, 20, 72. At second week, we're going up 20 more. That's right here would be 10 and then 20, so that's 92. The points right here might help you with making your graph to kind of keep them in the correct order. So 3 and 102. Excuse me, that's not right. 3 and 112. Let me erase that point because you're adding 20. And you can see that dot is kind of off, so we should be 112, 10, 20, right up here. Okay. Now, with this one, did she ever have any negative values in her graph? She didn't. So we shouldn't keep going in this direction, but she's going to continue to work, so her graph will continue to go up. I'm going to pick up my... I'm not going to put arrows on both sides this time because I would not have a negative slope. So we're only going to put, not a negative slope. I will not have any negative numbers in my account. So I'm going to just put my arrow at my top. So then it comes over here and it asks me, in context of this problem, what does the y-intercept represent? Well, that is her starting summer amount. So it's the money she started with. So it's the money started with. Okay? So it's the money she started with in the summer. Now, in context of this problem, what does the slope represent? It's the amount of money she earned each week. So it's the amount of money earned each week. Oops, earned each week. Okay, and that is a word problem there. Right now, we're going to pause. You're going to go back and fix the first, work in your practice on the first few sections, and then we're going to come back and do the rest of the videos because we're going to be looking at inequalities.